Schizophrenia. Introduction. Positive symptoms of schizophrenia affect the way a person thinks or functions. Select true or false. Correct. Positive symptoms include hallucinations, delusions, thought disorders, and movement disorders. Negative symptoms of schizophrenia may look like depression. Select true or false. Correct. Showing no facial expression, not being able to have fun, and talking little to other people are examples of negative symptoms. Symptoms of schizophrenia usually begin earlier for women than they do for men. Select true or false. Correct. In men, symptoms usually start in the late teens and early 20s. For women, they start in the mid-20s to early 30s. Which one of the following factors may cause schizophrenia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brain chemistry. 2. Genetic makeup. 3. Environmental factors. 4. All of the above. Correct. While no one is sure what causes schizophrenia, there are many factors that may contribute to its development. Medicines and psychosocial treatments can cure schizophrenia. Select true or false. Correct. There is no cure for schizophrenia. Treatments can help control symptoms. Thank you for using Explain.